So today, now this is the fun part. Today, what I did talk about, the keynote, the assembly, and the breakout sessions.
Right. So we had some grade level assemblies. So
Mm-hmm.
Coach Williams was able to speak to them as a group, and then we break out in the afternoon sessions. We have small groups. We target some students particularly that we need to hear the message that you bring to them and challenge them. And I saw firsthand even today, some of those students, they come from some pretty rough backgrounds and family situations, and yet you were able to speak to their hearts and touch their hearts. And we were even just talking about with one student who just talked about how she saw all of her friends just crying because they were in a safe place.
Yes.
And they were able to just reach in and get in touch with some things going on inside their heart. And you provided that opportunity for them just to express some of that pent up emotion that they have over situations in their life. So I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.